Today we are doing something called the overnight overhaul. This is something that I do when I'm feeling not my best. My skin doesn't look my best. I feel unmanicured. It's basically my how to look hot without wearing makeup, or how to feel confident, if that's what you prefer, without wearing makeup. It's essentially my like semi-permanent makeup hacks. Now, because I am pregnant, I am knocked up. I am not allowed to do my lash lifts, which I like to do. It says on the box, we don't recommend it for pregnant women and babies. So I was gonna do a lash lift on Santino, but so these are all the products that I use to work immediately and overnight to make it look like I'm wearing foundation, make it look like I'm wearing bronzer and contour, make it look like I'm wearing brow tint and lash mascara to make my hair look super glossy without having to apply makeup. So it is a little process, and you can make it as long or as short as you want, light a candle, use face masks, all that stuff. I'm just gonna keep it simple with the products that do the biggest and do the most. First, tint my eyelashes and my eyebrows. Now, this is the brand that I use. It's the 1000 Hour lash and brow dye, and I've been doing this for a very long time. Because I'm pregnant, I'm actually just going to carefully not get it very close to my eyes. Now follow the instructions on your kit. It should say something about protecting the surrounding areas with a balm or salve. So I'm going to do my eyebrows. Once I've got the product on, I like to use a little Q-tip to just make it nice and neat in the exact shape that I want. And then I'm just gonna do the tips of my eyelashes with the dye as well, just so my lashes look longer. You can see the full length of my lashes, even when I'm not wearing mascara. They're gonna look pretty bold, but that will very quickly even out, like by tomorrow type thing. Now I'm going to have a shower. I'm going to scrub my face, use my cleanser, all that stuff. And I'm going to use my hair color depositing treatment. This one is the Moroccan oil color depositing mask in cocoa, which is for light brown to dark brown hair. So it's like I got my hair done without having to go get my hair done. So I'm gonna go shower. You obviously can't follow me for that, but I'll be right back. So you take some of the mask and apply it through towel dried hair. Leave it for a few minutes. My hair's pretty dark, so I leave it kind of for the maximum time. Then simply rinse it out. Let's go. Okay, I'm out of the shower. Comb through my hair. My part stayed maintained through that process. That's nice. Cool. Now I am just gonna clip that up. Gonna do a simple skincare routine. Alpha H Generation Glow. I've been working on fading my melasma, so this is what I've been using. Caudalie Vino Perfect. Skin Medica Pigment Correcting Serum. We are so close to the finish line, peoples. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a blow dry. Don't want to sleep on wet hair and ruin it. My hair serum in, trying to prevent breakage and hair loss. This hairbrush is a major hack. See how it does not pull whatsoever? The brand is Ugly Swan, and it's an Australian women-owned, like independently, small business-owned brand, so definitely support them. It's amazing. Another itty bitty treatment, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. Ooh. Now I'm going to use my Dyson to style and dry my hair. Wow, okay, that color depositing mask is amazing. Makes my hair look so much more rich, and look how shiny it looks. Big improvement. Okay, now it's time to apply more makeup. So This whole process is what inspired my product Serenity Overnight Overhaul, okay? If you're here early, it's because you signed up to our newsletter and got this video sent to you via private link. So Overnight Overhaul is a sleeping mask or an overnight cream that contains a very small amount of DHA, which is the same ingredient that they use in fake tan. We use it in a completely different way. It is not going to give you the look of a tan. It will even out the appearance of your skin, color correct redness, plump your skin while you sleep, give you an all-over glow, and make your skin tone look more even. Wash your hands. I just realized I haven't washed my hands since doing my hair, and I don't want hair product on my fudge. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply Overnight Overhaul. 2 pumps. Just look for these little redness pieces. Should help with my melasma as well, at least disguising my melasma. So this product, if you use it every night, it will maintain that wearing makeup-like finish. I've got some on, I'm gonna sleep on it, but first, I'm gonna do a little bit extra. Okay, this is the Amanda Harrington Illuminating Bronze Mist. Now, you've got this little brush that comes with it. I mean, it came with the kit that I bought. Spritz onto the brush, semi-permanent contouring. Okay, so applying that fake tan wherever I want contour. Make sure it's nice and blended in with your Overnight Overhaul. So we've got our Overnight Overhaul on, which is like our foundation. And then we've got this Amanda Harrington stuff, which is like our contour and bronzer. And we're gonna sleep on it, okay? I'm so excited. Now, another thing that I would do, if I wasn't knocked up by the UPS man, sorry Seba, but I would whiten my teeth with those or with like Crest white strips. That would be really good because they work really quickly. Okay, so now the magic key is to go to sleep, and Overnight Overhaul doesn't stain your pillow or anything like that, but that actual fake tan will, so just try to sleep on your back. Before you go, apply a lip plumping mask. I love the Lawless one, and I just opened this cherry one. It's so good. Okay, got foundation on, contour, mascara and eyebrow gel. My hair's done. Now I'm ready for my beauty sleep. I'm gonna go to sleep and come back in about 12 hours, but for you, it will be in a snap. Okay, I just woke up. Did not sleep good, but let's see how this went. It's already looking good. Wet my face halo, put some cleanser on it. It's about 7. I'm struggling to even think right now, sorry everyone. But it literally already looks like I have a bit of makeup on, right? But I don't. Okay, now go ahead and do your morning skincare routine. A little bit of facial massage because I feel quite puffy. Sunscreen. Please let me go have breakfast, have my coffee, and I'll be right back. No. That's enough. You only need to flush a toilet when it's been used. Don't waste water. So this is me now, no makeup on. I have my skincare on and my SPF, but no makeup. It looks like I have a natural shadow under my cheeks. My skin tone looks even. My eyebrows look done. My skin compared to how it was yesterday. My hair looks nicer. All I really gotta do is curl my lashes. And this is like a major hack. It probably took me about an hour. The eyebrow dye and the lash dye lasts about a month. The face makeup lasts a few days, it depends how quick your cell turnover is. But that can obviously be applied really easily. Serenity Overnight Overhaul, if you have it in your daily routine, you're gonna get that light, soft focus, color correcting effect if it's in your routine all the time. So check that out, serenitybeauty.com. And then you can use fake tan. I really like the Amanda Harrington one to get that sculpted cheek look. And you can keep this up and have these results all the time. So keep that in mind. or you can do it just before vacations or maybe your wedding or honeymoon, whatever. But yeah, this is something that really helps me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.